Discover this Sonora house, a truly Amish-built 5-bedroom, 2-story property sitting on 6+ acres with stunning views and endless potential. With multiple barns and outbuildings, this home is a rare opportunity for buyers seeking privacy, space, and a blank canvas to create their dream retreat. Water connection is already on the property, making upgrades and improvements convenient. Step outside and enjoy the expansive land, perfect for animals, gardening, or outdoor projects. The multiple barns provide functional storage, workshop areas, or potential for equestrian or hobby use. With additional acreage available for purchase, the property can easily expand to suit your needs. The location is excellent, just off I-65 near the Sonora exit, offering privacy while remaining accessible to nearby towns, shopping, and amenities. Its elevated setting provides breathtaking views, creating a serene and peaceful environment for country living. This property is ideal for investors, hobby farmers, or buyers looking to create a one-of-a-kind family retreat. The combination of historic craftsmanship, multiple structures, and generous acreage makes this a rare find in the Sonora area. Schedule a showing today to explore this versatile property and envision the possibilities. Whether it becomes a modern farmhouse, hobby farm, or private retreat, this Sonora house offers unmatched potential for those ready to transform it into their dream home.